Hello guys, have you ever wondered how much YouTube can actually pay you for just one short video? Well, in today's video, I am going to reveal to you exactly how much YouTube paid me for a simple 3 minute video that got 6.2k views. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this because the numbers might surprise you. How much did YouTube pay me for 6.2k views? Well, there's this particular video I made. It was a video I did about how to add a follow button on your Facebook comments. And that particular video fetched me 6.2k views and still counting. So now, let's dive straight into the analytics of this particular video. So as you can see here, this video has gotten 6.2k views as at when I was making this video, okay? Now let's go to the reach of this video. From the reach, you can see that the impression on this particular video is 34.4k impressions. That means 34,400 people came across this particular video. Wow, that's massive for just one simple video. Now, you can also see how viewers actually discovered this video through YouTube search, about 60.6%. You can also see suggested videos, browse features, direct or unknown, and others. Now, when we go to the engagement of this video, you can also see that this particular video alone has 203 watch time hours. Not bad at all for a short 3 minute video, right? Now, audience retention is 1 minute 56 seconds. That's 63.1%, which is pretty good for a 3 minute video. Now, over to audience. I got 145 plus additional subscribers from this particular video alone. This is really amazing and I am so grateful. Now we can see the top countries watching this video. We have Nigeria and the Philippines. I truly appreciate the support. We also have watch time from subscribers. And surprisingly, those who didn't subscribe watched even more than those who did subscribe. Please, if you're watching this video and getting value from this channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button. It won't take anything from you, but it really helps the channel grow. Thank you so much. So now, let's finally go to the revenue of this particular video. Wow, as you can see here, this particular video has given me $5.61, and this video is just a 3 minute video. I am very happy about this. So how did I make this money? Well, as you can see here, it's through watch page ads. So a big shout out to everyone who doesn't skip my ads. Now, the revenue per 1k views, that is the RPM of this video, is not much though, just $0.90. But remember this, RPM always fluctuates. Today it might be high, tomorrow it may be low. That's just how YouTube works, okay? So how much advertisers pay? That is the CPM on this video is $3.37. For those who don't know, advertisers are the ones who actually pay for the views on your videos, not YouTube directly. And so just like the RPM, CPM also fluctuates. It can go up or down anytime, okay? So that's how much YouTube paid me for 6.2k views on a 3 minute video. Now, if you're just starting out on YouTube, let this encourage you. I started this channel with simple videos, and little by little, results like this started showing up. So try and be creating videos. Even if it's a short video with little views, YouTube will still pay you, okay? And also remember to be consistent and keep learning. Your breakthrough video is waiting for you. So please, don't forget to like and share this video, and equally subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so yet. And also drop a comment in the comment section below. And as always, thank you for watching this video.